What's up everyone, I'm Andrew and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily set up Cloudflare for your WordPress website. So as you might already know, Cloudflare is a very famous and popular CDN. So basically what it does is that it serves your traffic, and by doing that it really improves your performance, so you get a much better speed, and also it protects you from attacks, so from basic kind of attacks in the free version. Now they do have premium and paid versions, but the free version is just enough for making your website faster and also protecting you from attacks. So here we are going to just set it up. So I have my website ready and I have my domain name and it's working. So we want to set up Cloudflare. So basically we just have to log in to Cloudflare. Now, of course, in the first time, we have to create an account. So I enter my email address. So you already need a special character in your passport. Now we are here in the Cloudflare panel and we just have to click on websites. Now, as you can see, we do not have any website. We can have multiple websites here, and also we have to verify our email. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, now our email is verified and we can just basically start adding our website. So again, we do not have any website here, so we can just add one. So we click on this add site. Now I just have to copy my URL and paste it here. So I'm just going to quickly copy my URL and paste it here. And also we have to remove everything. So we only need the plain domain. So we do not need this HTTPS and the slashes and also this trailing slash. So only just a demo that website, only our domain name like example.com, and I just click on add site. Now in the second step here, of course the first step of the free steps, we have to choose the plan. Like they do have paid plans, but the free plan just offers you your CDN, so you get performance benefits, you get a universal SSL certificate, and it protects you from DDoS attacks. So basically DDoS attacks are those attacks that direct a huge amount of traffic to your website and result in a denial of a service. So your website goes down. So it just protects you from that. So that's cool. So I just click on continue. Now here, as you can see, we have some information about our domain. You don't need to really touch this information. It just works out of the box most of the time, so you don't need to do anything here. So basically, here's a review of our DNS, and we have to change our DNS. So as you probably have done it, when you set up a website, you just have to make your domain point to your host. So basically here I have this domain and I have registered from a domain registering website, and basically I have made it point to this host. So always you do it. Now if you buy your domain from the same place, from the same company that you are buying your host, it automatically does it for you. So you really do not see this step, but it's actually making the domain point to your website. Now that is going to happen by just having two DNS records in your domain, and here we have to change them. So here you just click on continue, and as you can see, it's giving me two name servers, and I have to change my name servers. So I have to make my website point to these name servers. Now if I just check my website, I can just quickly check it by searching who is website. There are many services that do this for you, so let's just use this who.is. Here, if I just search my website, I have my two name servers here. We have to change these, so I'm just going to change it here now. This step, I'm not going to record this step because it's completely different for each domain company. So based on the company that you are registering your domain, you get a different option. So it's really pointless to save it here. So I'm not going to record this step. It's different for every website that you have registered your domain. So it's different for GoDaddy.com. It's different for Namecheap. So based on the website, you just have to do this action, but it's very easy. So you just have to log into the company that you have registered your domain, and then click on Manage Domain or Domain Options or something like that. And you just have to copy these two name servers and replace your old name servers with these new ones. So this is all you have to do. And I'm just going to do it for myself. Okay, now I changed my DNS records, but if I just click on this who is or search my address again, I cannot see the updated name servers. That's because this website is using a cache, so it's not looking my domain up again, and it's just using the old data. To make sure it's working, I can just use another website. So let's just search for who is domain, and let's just use this website because I do not have any refresh button here. So let's just look up my website here. Okay, now as you can see, the name servers have changed, and here I have the actual name servers that Cloudflare gave me. So the first one is ara.ns, and this is exactly this name server. So we are good to go. So I can just click on Done, check name servers. And as you can see, everything is just fine, and I can just click on Get Started. Now we have two settings here. The first one is automatic HTTP. The first one is automatic HTTPS rewrite. That's okay, we want it. So just click on Save. And we also have always use HTTPS. This is turned off, but the best way is to just turn it on because we want to use HTTPS. We want to redirect to HTTPS. So I just turn it on to redirect all of my HTTP requests to HTTPS, and I can just click on Save. Now we have auto minify. So basically what it does is that it minifies your JavaScript, CSS, and HTML and just serves the minified version. So that's very good for your speed. So we always want to check all of them unless we have some problems with them. So that's fine. I just save. And also this is just fine for speeding up our load time. So that's fine. We need it. We need this compression. So let's just save it and finish. Okay, now we are done with the setup, but our website is not being served from Cloudflare yet. That's because it just takes some time. So basically it just says my website is not yet active on Cloudflare. That's completely fine at this step. You just have to change your name servers. That's it. And then you just have to wait. So it can take up to 24 hours for the changes to be reflected. And you get an email when everything is just done. So this is the end of the process, and that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more WordPress content. And like always, you can reach our team from the link in the description.